I was sent the set of 4 furniture moving dollies from KEDSUM and asked you my opinion on it, make this short video. So here you go. This is everything you're going to get in the box. You get all of these parts plus a owner's manual that explains how to use them. These are very well designed. They've got like, they call them like a turtle back. It's like a turtle is upside down here. So it's got a groove here in the center that's lower. So when you put a table leg in here, it's going to fit inside this portion and it won't slide off. They've also got some edges here that are lifted up. You see this here on this 2 sides? So if you've got the corner of, say, an appliance or something, that also can grab on and hold the furniture in place while you're sliding these around. So even though this is coming down, the casters are designed so they don't hit that and they give it some space, so they've got full rotation. Now, these are really nice casters. KEDSUM always uses really good ones. These have ball bearings, as you can see in there, to spin around nice and smooth, and they're removable. If you needed to change them, you can do that. Very, very strong steel throughout. Very, very strong. You're going to get 4 of those. And then you also get this unique lifting tool as well to help you lift up the furniture to get this wheel caster underneath. And this is it right here. So you see some rolling wheels here. And then you've also got this reinforced lifting pad here. You can see that the metal's been bent in a certain way here so that it gives it more and more strength. If you need to use the extra leverage, you can attach this extra rod here and lock it into place. And now you've got a very long piece of leverage here. You could even slide something over this if you needed to. And this gives you that prying strength to be able to lift up that furniture. And sometimes the bottom of the furniture that you're going to lift from is a little too high. So they give you these 2 little stands as well. So depending on how much height you need, these fit right where the wheels go, here like this. And then you can put this underneath and lift up as well. And then maybe you need to even double stack that to bring that up even higher. So you put this under the furniture, lift it up like that. I'm going to show you how I'm going to lift a very heavy marble table and put it onto these rollers and then be able to move that so easily. Here I've got this granite table, extremely heavy, but if I put the leverage underneath here, I can lift and put the dolly underneath it. Just one person. There we go. Now it's safely on there. And I've also got those pieces here that'll make sure that it stays in place as I'm moving it around. And for furniture that has distinct legs like these that drop down into that deep pocket, they work really well. So you can manipulate and move your furniture around quite easily with these, and they don't fall out because they sit nice in that deep pocket, and it makes it very easy to move and to manipulate your furniture. So hey, I hope that was helpful to learn a little bit more about this system from KEDSUM for furniture dollies. I hope this information was useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.